This is the Cavitation Check Calculator for determining NPSH available versus required to prevent pump cavitation. Let's walk through the inputs. First, select your unit system from the drop-down menu. You can choose between metric with meters and kilopascals, or imperial with feet and psi. For this demonstration, I'm using metric. Now enter your 4 input values. Atmospheric pressure in kilopascals. The default is 101.325. Fluid vapor pressure in kilopascals. Defaulted at 2.34. Suction head in meters. This is the vertical distance from the fluid surface to the pump center line. Defaulted at 3.0. Finally, friction losses in meters. Defaulted at 0.5. Click Calculate NPSH Available to see your results. With our test inputs, the calculator shows NPSH available equals 12.59 meters. This is the net positive suction head available at your pump inlet. Below that, you'll see margin over required, which shows 9.59 meters based on a typical 3-meter requirement. This positive margin of 9.59 meters confirms your pump is well protected from cavitation, as you want this value to be positive for safe operation. Find the link in the description below.